Problem. Multi-stage graph problem is to find minimum cost path from source to terminal. Each set Vi defines each set each set Vi defines stage in the graph. Next one is solution. Every path from source T of T starts in stage 1 and goes to stage 2, then goes to stage 3, then goes to stage 4, and so on, and eventually terminates in stage K. Here, this figure shows five-stage graph. Five-stage graph. Here is for five stages: V1, V2, V3, V4, V5. The corresponding nodes, the corresponding costs. Next. Next is dynamic programming formulation for K-stage graph problem is obtained by first noticing that every S2T path is the result of sequence of K-2 decisions. The ith decision involves determining which vertex in V Vi plus 1 less than equal I less than equal to K minus 2 is to be on the path. What is time complexity? Total 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 time is theta of mod V plus G mod E. Next is multi-stage graph can be solved by using two approaches: forward approaches and backward approaches. Let C of I comma j be a minimum cost path from vertex j in Vi to vertex T. Vertex T. Net let cost I comma j be the cost of path from source to destination. Next see the formulas for forward approach. Forward approach. Using forward approach, we obtain cost I comma j equal to minimum of L belongs to Vi plus 1, whereby C j comma L Cj comma L plus cost of I plus 1 comma L. J comma L belongs to E. Next, cost K minus 1 comma J equal to cost C J comma T. If J comma T belongs to E. Next, cost K minus 1 comma J equal to infinity if J comma T not belongs to E. Next one is backward approach. Backward approach. Multi-stage graph can also be solved using backward approach. Let BP of I comma j be a minimum cost path from vertex S to vertex J in Vi. Let B cost I comma j be the cost of BP of I comma J. Next, from the backward approach, we apply. This is the formula of backward approach. B cost of I comma J equal to minimum of L belongs to B I minus 1. I minus 1. B cost I minus 1 comma L plus C L comma J. L comma J. L comma J belongs to E. L comma belongs to E. These are the forward approach and backward approach. Backward approach. Next one is next go to the example. Example. Find minimum cost path from source to terminal or sink in the multi-stage graph using forward approach and backward approach using recursive equation. This is the five stage graph. V1, V2, V3, V4, V5. 5 stages. Next one is here is the given graph is a 5-stage graph. 5-stage graph. First go to the forward approach. Cost I comma J equal to minimum of L belongs to V plus I. Cost of JL plus cost of I plus 1 comma L. Next J comma L belongs to E. Here is first here is this is the forward approach. First start with I equal to 8. I equal to 5. 5 stage. Madhuri?
Sir.
Here is this is the 5-stage graph.
Yes, sir.
This is the 5-stage graph. Here start with I equal to 5. Here is mentioned the corresponding stage.
Yes, sir.
V1, V2, V3, V4, V5. 5 stages. First start with I equal to 5. 5 stage.
Yes,
Initially, cost I come of
5 comma
9. 5 comma 9 equal to 0. There is no vertices to the other. Since there is no vertex after 9, cost equal to 0. Cost equal to 0. Next we take stage 4. Stage 4. I equal to 4. I equal to 4. What are the vertices here in stage 4? J equal to 7, 8.
Yes, sir.
7, 8. What is stage equal to 4? I equal to 4, comma the corresponding vertices are J equal to 7, comma 8. 7, comma 8. Next cost of 4, comma 7. First is 4, comma 7.
Yes, sir.
Equal to C 7, comma 9. 7, comma 9 plus cost of 5, comma 9. 7, comma 9. What is the 7, comma 9? What is the value of 7, comma 9? 0. 7, comma 9 is
0. 7 comma 9. 7, sir.
7, comma 9 is 7 plus cost of 5, comma 9 is 0.
0.
Total cost is 7.
7.
ఇక్కడ ఏంటంటే ఆ డయాగ్రామ్స్ చెప్తే కొంచెం బాగా క్లారిటీగా అర్థమవుతుంది. మనం డయాగ్రామ్ తీసేస్తున్నాం కదా, కొంచెం ఏంటంటే చెప్పుకుంటూ పోతా ఉంటా. ఆ డయాగ్రామ్ మనం బోర్డు మీద అయితే డయాగ్రామ్ బోర్డు మీద చెప్తూ దాన్ని కంపారిజన్ చేసి చెప్పుకుంటూ వెళ్తాము.
Yes, sir.
ఏంటంటే ఇంకా దాన్ని తీసేయాలి కదా.
Yes, sir.
సరేదా?
సరే సార్.
Next is cost 4,8. Three.
సార్ సార్
Cost 4,8. Cost 4,8 equal to C 8,9 plus cost of 5,9. Cost of 8,9 equal to 3 plus cost of 5,9 is 0 equal to 3. Fourth stage is completed. Next
Yes,
stage 3
3.
Equal to 3. What is the j equal to 4, 5, 9, 4, 5, 6.
Yes, sir.
4, 5, 6. Next cost of 3, 4. 3, 4. Next minimum of cost 4, 7 plus cost of 4, 7. Cost of 4, 7, comma C cost of 4, 8 plus cost of 4, 8. Next minimum of 1 plus 7, comma 4 plus 7, 4 plus 3. Minimum of 8, 7. Minimum is 7. Next, cost of 3, 5.
5.
Minimum of C 5, 7 plus cost of 4, 7. 4, 7, comma C of 5, 8 plus cost of 4, 8. 4, 8. Next minimum of 6 plus 7, comma 2 plus 3. Minimum of 13, 5. Minimum is 5. Next cost of 3, 6.
Minimum of
Next
C of
minimum of C of 6, 7 plus cost of 4, 7. Next comma C, C of 6, 8 plus cost of 4, 8. 8. Next minimum of 6 plus 7, comma 2 plus 3. Minimum of 13, 5 equal to 5.
5. Yes, sir.
Stage 3 is completed.
Yes,
Next
sir.
stage
Stage
2. Stage 2 I equal to 2. What are the vertices? Here is j equal to 2, 3. 2, 3. Next cost 2, 2. Cost 2, 2 equal to minimum of C 2, 4. 4 plus cost of 3, 4. 3, 4 plus cost of 2, 6 plus cost of 3, 6. Next minimum of 3 plus 7, 3 plus 5. Minimum of 10, 8. Minimum value equal to 8. Minimum value equal to 8. cost 2 comma 3. Cost of 2 comma 3 equal to minimum of C 3 comma 4 plus cost of 3 comma 4 comma C 3 5 plus cost of 3 comma 5 comma C 3 6 plus cost of 3 comma 6 3 comma 6 minimum of 6 plus 7 plus 5 plus 5 comma 8 plus 5 minimum value equal to
10.
10. Minimum value equal to, next stage 2 is also completed. Next stage 1 I equal to 1. I equal to 1. It is cost of 1 comma 1. Cost
Yes,
of
sir.
1 comma 1. Next equal to minimum
Minimum
of C 1 comma 2
plus cost
next
of
plus cost of 2 comma 2
C
2 comma 2 comma C 1 comma 3 3 plus cost of 2 comma 3. Next minimum of 5 plus 8 2 plus 10
10.
minimum of 13 comma 12 minimum value equal to
12.
minimum value equal to 12. This is way of finding this values of the this is way of finding the cost of the values
Yes, sir.
value of the cost. Next find the path. Next find the path. Minimum cost path B1 V2 V3 V4 9. Next V2 D11 minimum cost path equal to 3. Next V3 equal to D of 2 comma D11 equal to D23. D23 minimum cost path is 5. Next V4 equal to D3 3 comma D of 2 comma D of 1 comma 1 equal to D35. Minimum cost path is 8.
Yes,
Minimum
sir.
cost path is 8. Next is path is 1 comma 3 comma 5 1 3 5 8 9. This is the root. This is the root. This is way of finding the root. Minimum cost path. This is the forward approach. This is forward approach. Next we go to the backward approach. Backward approach. This is the formula. This is next B cost of 2 comma j equal to C of L comma j. If L comma j belongs to E equal to infinity equal to if L comma j is not equal to E. Next B cost 2 comma 2 equal to C of 2 comma 2 equal to 5. B cost 2 comma 3 equal to C 1 comma 3 equal to 2. Next, this is the formula of backward approach. B cost I comma j equal to minimum of L belongs to V I minus 1. L comma j belongs to E of B cost I comma I minus 1 comma L plus C L comma j. L comma j. Here is first we take what is stage 3. Start from stage 3. Stage 3. I equal to 3. The corresponding what is j equal to 4 5 6 4 5 6. Next B cost 3 comma 4. 3 comma 4 equal to minimum of B cost 2 comma 2 plus C 2 comma 4 comma 4 Next is B cost 3 comma 4 equal to minimum of B cost 2 comma 2 plus C 2 comma 4 comma B cost 2 comma 3 plus 3 comma 4 3 comma 4. Next minimum of 5 plus 3 comma 2 plus 6 minimum value 8 comma 8 minimum value equal to 8. Next B cost 3 comma 5 equal to B 2 comma 3 plus C 3 comma 5 2 plus 5 equal to 7. 7. Next B cost 3 comma 6 3 comma 6 minimum of B cost 2 comma 2 plus C 2 comma 6 comma B cost 2 comma 3 plus C 3 comma 6 minimum of 5 plus 3 comma 2 plus 8 minimum of 8 comma equal minimum value equal to 8 minimum value equal to 8.
Yes, sir.
Next
Next,
next
to 4.
stage 4 I equal to 4
J
I
equal
equal
to
to 4 J equal to 7 8. Next B cost 4 comma 7 equal to minimum of B cost 3 comma 4 plus next C 4 comma 7 comma B cost 3 comma 5 plus C 5 comma 7 comma B cost 3 comma 6 plus C 6 comma 7. Next minimum of 8 plus 1 plus 7 plus 6 8 plus 6 minimum equal to 9.
9.
Next is B cost 4 comma 8 4 comma 8 minimum of B cost 3 comma 4 plus C of 4 comma 8 comma B cost 3 comma 5 plus C 5 comma 8 5 comma 8 comma B cost 3 comma 6 plus C 6 comma 8 6 comma 8 minimum of 8 plus 4 7 plus 2 8 plus 2 minimum value equal to 9. Next stage 5 I equal to 5 J equal to 9 B cost 5 comma 9 minimum of B cost 4 comma 7 plus C 7 comma 9 comma B cost 4 comma 8 plus C 8 comma 9 equal to minimum of 9 plus 7 9 plus 3 equal to 12 equal to 12. Minimum cost path is 1 1 to 3 3 to 5 5 to 8 8 to 9 8 to 9. This is the minimum cost path. మీరు మధురి
సార్
ఈ డయాగ్రామ్ ఈ ప్రాబ్లం సాల్వ్ చేసేటప్పుడు ఆ నోట్స్ కంపేర్ చేసుకుంటూ సాల్వ్ చేసుకోండి.
ఎస్ సార్
అది నేను చెప్పడం అయితే చెప్పుకుంటూ వెళ్ళిపోయినాను. మామూలుగా ఏంటంటే డయాగ్రామ్ చూస్తూ కంపేర్ చేసుకుంటూ ఒకసారి చూసుకుంటే ఇంకా అర్థం అయిపోద్ది ప్రాబ్లం అంతా.
ఎస్ సార్